My favorite part of the trade show is just to be able to spend time looking at the equipment and tools. I mean, us guys in the industry, we love our gadgets, you know, we love our tools, we love our equipment. When things change like they are changing rapidly now in the field of equipment, it's like going to a toy store, just having a good time.
My favorite part of coming to this expo is to see the people and to interact with the people. There's so many great people that I know over the years, and we had so much fun with them, and we've had such great relationships, whether it be at the bar or it be at a training seminar or it's going to be on the show floor, and we look forward to that very, very much.
I've been coming here for about 14 years now. The show's grown year over year since it started. You know, there's just been an overwhelming support group here in the Northeast for this show. This show's always drawn more and more people year over year. Glad to participate. Looks like it's going to be another good show this year.
This show keeps getting bigger and better. A lot of that has to do with the people. We've tried different things each year to attract people and to make it more convenient for them to trade and do business on their terms in our facility.
Some of the things that we did to try and make the show better was we expanded the amount of show floor on the main floor. We did away with downstairs, but we were actually able to increase the upstairs space by 22 booths by moving the seminars and training off-site to the hotels adjacent.
This expo is wonderful. This is one of the few ones that I like to go to each year. I've been coming here for the past 15 plus years. Northeast Show, I've watched it grow, watched it get better and better each year. This year, I'm blown away by how much is here, by how many exhibitors are here, and how much networking I can actually do here. It's a fantastic show.